Penguin Egg Doubles, Unit 6, Module 1, Session 3. Today we will use strategies to add with sums to 20, recognize, describe, and extend number patterns, represent a number of objects with a written numeral up to 120, count by twos to 20, group and count objects by twos, reason abstractly and quantitatively, look for and make use of structure, look for and express regularity in repeated reasoning. Penguin Egg Doubles. Today our rockhopper penguin is going to help us with our doubles facts. Do you remember how many eggs the rockhopper penguin lays? Female penguins, including the rockhopper, lay 2 eggs at a time. How many eggs would 2 rockhoppers lay? 2 penguins and 2 eggs for each penguin would equal 4 eggs. How many eggs would 3 rockhoppers lay? Let's count by twos. 2, 4, 6. 3 rockhoppers would lay 6 eggs. We're going to use a special kind of chart today to help keep track of how many eggs different numbers of female penguins would lay. It looks like this. What do you observe? We have the number of female penguins, 1 all the way to 15. Eggs. 1 penguin will lay 2 eggs. Totals. 1, 2 equals 2 eggs. If I add 2 more eggs in this column, now I have 1, 2, 3, 4 eggs. Okay. Well, we have to change the directions because we're not together. This is a dice game. This will tell you how many female penguins there are. And then you will fill in the chart to see how many eggs there are and write an equation to match. Get your materials ready. Okay, this equals a penguin egg, and that's what you would draw here. We're going to fill out the chart together at this point. Place a penguin egg on the chart, then write the totals. Two eggs. Now we have 2 penguins for a total of 4 eggs. 3 penguins for a total of 6 eggs. 4 penguins for a total of 8. 5 for a total of 10. 6 for a total of 12. 7 penguins. How many eggs will 7 penguins lay? 14. 8 penguins. 16 eggs. 9 penguins. 18 eggs. 10 penguins will lay how many eggs? 10 times 2, or 2 groups of 10, equals 20. Great job. 11 penguins. for a total of 22 eggs. 24, 13 penguins laid 26 eggs. 14 penguins, 28 eggs, and 15 penguins for a total of 30 eggs. I saw 12 penguin eggs. How many penguins did it take to lay that many eggs? I saw 12 eggs. So we're looking for 12 eggs. How many penguins did it take to lay that many eggs? If you said 6, you are correct. I saw 4 penguin eggs. How many penguins did it take to lay that many eggs? 2. I saw 14 penguin eggs. How many penguins did it take to lay that many eggs? 7 plus 7 equals 14. I saw 20 penguin eggs. How many penguins did it take to lay 20 eggs? 10 plus 10 equals 20. 5 penguins. Now we're talking about penguins, so we're looking at the top. 5 penguins each laid 2 eggs. How many eggs in all? 5 plus 5 equals 10. 3 penguins, again we're looking at the top because we're talking about penguins, each laid 2 eggs. 3 penguins each laid 2 eggs for a total of 6 eggs. 3 plus 3 equals 6. 6 penguins each laid 2 eggs. How many eggs in all? 6 plus 6 equals 12. 7 penguins, they each laid 2 eggs. 7 plus 7 equals 14. 9 penguins, each laid 2 eggs. How many eggs in all? 9 plus 9 equals 18. That is an incorrect circle. Sorry about that. 13 penguins, each laid 2 eggs. How many eggs in all? 13 penguins. 13 plus 13 equals 26. Double 5. What is that number? 5 plus 5 equals 10. Double 8. 8 plus 8 equals 16. Double 9. What is the number? 9 plus 9 equals 18. Double 10. 10 plus 10 equals 20. Double 13. 13 plus 13 equals 26. Double 14. That's just 2 more. If we know 13 plus 13 is 26, 2 more is 28. 14 plus 14 is 28. I'll name off one of the totals on our chart and you give me the doubles combination for that number. For example, if I say 14 eggs, you say 7 plus 7. 20 eggs. 10 plus 10 equals 20. 8 eggs. 4 plus 4 equals 8. 10 eggs. 5 plus 5 equals 10. 24 eggs. That's 2 dozen eggs. 24. 12 plus 12 equals 24. 4 eggs. 2 plus 2 equals 4. 16 eggs. 8 plus 8 equals 16. 28 eggs. 14 plus 14 equals 28. That's it today, guys. Thanks for hanging out with me, and I will see you tomorrow.